Hey, welcome back to SWG Woodworking. Here I'm explaining that I'm going to make a cutting board for my daughter for Christmas, and this is the stuff we're going to use to make the strips. It's all cut to length. Now I just got to take it over to the table saw and rip it to width. That's what I'm explaining here. I got walnut, maple, and a little piece of cherry there, and that's what we're going to do. Go over to the table saw. See ya. Alright, I'm over at the table saw getting it set up to rip the strips down to width. I'm just measuring with my little tiny ruler there. I don't remember how, like an inch or something. And so that's what I'm doing. I get this first one ripped, and then I don't know what happened. I had something go wrong with my table saw, and so I don't have a video of all them rest of them getting ripped down to width, but that's all I'm doing is ripping them. Oh, okay, I do a piece of walnut, or maple, not walnut. Yeah, and I don't have any there. That's where it ends, so that's all I got. Alright, back over on the bench, I'm showing all the pieces ripped down to width, and I'm just not wide enough for what I want, so I need to make a couple more strips, and that's what I'm showing here. Is I got a piece of walnut right there I'm measuring out, and then there's a long piece of maple sitting up on top. I gotta make a few more strips, and I'm just trying to see if they're long enough, so when I glue them all up it makes a wide board. Alright, back over at the bench, I got all the strips made, and that is the layout for the first glue up. Explaining how to glue them up and showing you the width. So we got the walnut and maple, every other, and then I got that one piece of cherry. There in the middle, showing the width of each strip. Getting prepared for the glue up, and showing you and explaining how thick everything is. So there you go. Okay, starting to glue up. Got my little glue up roller thing to put glue out on all the strips. Pretty straightforward process. You put glue on, you turn them on end. So I'm gluing everything up. First half, now the middle piece. Yeah, that's what a glue up is, and then just adding the glue, and you'll see me start flipping them and putting them in order. There we go, starting to flip them, putting them in order, and then you'll put all the claps and the calls on and everything. I'll just put on the music, let you watch, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.